channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create the simple Contact Us form using HTML and CSS. Look at the final demo, in which we are going to see how to create the nice Contact Us form and social share buttons.
For the code, you can visit my GitHub account, in which you can download the files or clone it using Git. Let's get started with HTML structure. Consider a Contact Us div element. Inside that, create the title div element with the title in it. Below that, create the form element with 3 form items in it. In first 2 form items, create the input fields with input class and set the placeholder values to it. In the final form item, create the text area field with input and message classes to it. And also set the placeholder value to it. Create the submit button below the form element. Open the HTML structure in the browser. Now let's get started with CSS, by including its link in the head section of the HTML document. For this demo, I am going to use the Ubuntu Google fonts. Include the Ubuntu Google fonts in the styles file. And reset the default margin and padding values of the HTML element 0, and set the Ubuntu font family. Set the background color to the body. Now style the Contact Us div element by setting the 250 pixels of the width, white background color. .50 pixels of the padding. Use the margin auto concept to place the div vertically in the center. Use 30 pixels of the border radius and finally set its position value to relative so that we can control the social buttons.
Style the title content. Set the 100% width to the form and form items. Style the input fields by setting its width to 100%. Use the box sizing property to include the border and padding into the width. To remove a blue border around the input fields, use the outline property. Now by targeting the message class, style the text area field, set its height, border radius. Padding, and to stop the resizing of the text area, we can set its resize properties value to none. Finally, style the Submit button. In demo I am going to use the Font Awesome icons. First, let's include the Font Awesome CDN link in the head section of the HTML structure. Next, include the required icons in the file. Create the space between text and arrow icon, and decrease the size of the icon. Set the form item's position value to a relative, so that we can control the icons. Now place the icons accordingly. Now let's create the social share icon buttons. First, add the required HTML elements. Create the social icon div element. Next, create the 3 div element with separate classes in it, and add the icons inside it. Place the social icons relative to the Contact Us div element. Using the bottom and left properties to place it accordingly. Set the width. Use the flex concept to line the icons horizontally in one row. Use the justify content property to create the space around the icons. Now style the div elements by setting the width, height, and border radius. Now place the icons in the center of the div elements. Now by targeting the specific classes, change the background color of the div elements. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and ask me anything in the comments section. See you in another video.